Welcome to my English channel. Learn English from mistakes with Binny Mook, chapter 63. Oh my gosh, I can't pronounce the foreign words correctly and clearly. Like I said, English is not a phonetic language because its spelling is not the same as its pronunciation. So, 串法唔等於讀音，學國際音標 Learn the IPA symbols. Okay, the CH sound is in this IPA symbols. It's pronounced as ch, 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 ch. Okay, so look at this picture. 豬嘴型口唇好似想錫人咁，有氣噴出。舉例機會 ，OK， it's not chance, it's chance, chance. OK， 啲出咗圓形豬嘴型。Push the lips forward into a rounded circle like a kissing face and build up pressure and let the air out. OK， 錫人咁樣好似用個豬嘴型口型，但係要大力噴氣出嚟。椅子唔係叫做 chair。It's chair, chair. OK， 細路仔 not child。芝士唔係芝士 ，it's cheese。挑戰係challenge。No, it's challenge, challenge。選擇賽事 No, choice, choice。雞 chicken, chicken。鏈青 No, it's chain, chain, chain。中國 China No, China, China。檢查 check No, check, check。教堂 church, church。Remember, do not use your first language to pronounce English words. Get it with thanks. Okay. Note, Ture is ch. Okay. Stion, schen. They are in ch sounds. This is 未來 future, future. And this is not later. It's nature with a nasal sound. Nature, not culture. It's culture, culture, not question. Okay, it's question, question, not suggestion. It's suggestion. Okay, not congestion. It's congestion. End of chapter 63. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much.